Hello friends, today our topic is definitions of doping. Means a statement of the exact meaning of word, especially in a dictionary or clarity of a relationship between a part and a whole is called of. Doping is basically means athletes taking illegal substances to make their performance better. The following definitions may be helpful to understand the meaning of doping. The following means coming after or as a result of. Definitions means clarity, maybe, can act as. Helpful means useful, to understand, view in a particular way. The meaning means the sense, what is meant by word. Of doping, of mean a relationship between a part and a whole is called of. Doping is basically means athletes taking illegal substances to make their performance better. The views and ideas of few experts having knowledge of doping who expressed in their own way in the shape of definitions or as listed below. Views means prospect and along with ideas, plan or scheme of a few mean in a small number, those who are expert means have a knowledge about the doping. Having a knowledge means proper information of doping. Doping is basically means athletes taking illegal substances to make their performance better. Who expressed in their own way means expressed means convey. In their own way means in the manner that one finds most natural. In the shape of means appearance or form of. Definitions means clarity or as listed below means or as marked under. According to a European conference means as stated by the European conference. A European conference means the conference on the future of Europe is a proposal of a European Commissions. Drugs are used by the sportsperson for enhancing their performance in sports is called doping. Means illegal drugs used by athletes or sports contestant for increasing their strength and in sports competition is called doping. According to a European conference means as stated by the European conference. A European conference means the conference on the future of Europe is a proposal of a European commissions. Doping in sports consists in using prohibited substances in breach of the rules of the competent sports organizations. Means illegal drugs used by the athletes or sports contestant which is banned by the International Olympic Council or committee that consider as an act of breaking rules and regulations set by the International Olympic Committee or Council governing body of Olympic Games. According to a European anti-doping conventions means as stated by the European anti-doping conventions which lays down binding rules with a view to harmonizing anti-doping regulations in a particular, making it harder to obtain and use banned substances such as anabolic steroids. Doping is defined as the administration to sportsmen or sportswomen the use by them of pharmacological classes of doping agents or doping methods. Means The process or activity of running organizations to sportsmen means a man who takes part in sports, especially as a professional. Pharmacological means the branch of medicine concerned with the uses, effects, and modes of action of drugs. Differentiate the doping agents means a dopant, also called a doping agent or doping method, means anabolic, steroids, diuretics, and insulins. According to Vandewell, means as stated by the Vandewell, the use of drugs and blood products to enhance the oxygen carrying capacity of one's own blood for non-medical reasons means using of illegal drugs and as a blood doping substance which increase the oxygen and transfer activity of the sports person's ability to non-medical use of marijuana. According to Well, means as stated by Well, blood doping in sports refers to the use of artificial means to enhance performance by boosting the number of red cells in an athlete's body, means an injection of oxygenated blood into an athlete before an event in an attempt to enhance athletic performance and improve the number of red cells, means a type of blood cell that is made in the bone marrow and found in the blood. That number increased in an athlete body due to the use of doping substances. Thanks and have a nice day.